Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do a little place value practice. You are going to need scissors, paper, something to write with, and manipulatives. I picked some Legos, but you can use beans, noodles, whatever works for you. All right, let's get started. So with the paper, you're going to want to cut cards out and write some numbers on the cards. For the tens, you're going to need numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I did 2 cards of each number. 0, 0, 1, 1, so on and so forth. You're going to shuffle those up, and you're going to put them face down. For the ones, you're going to need numbers 0 through 9. I did 1 of each, but you could do more if you wanted to. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to mix those up. And you're going to put them in a pile above the ones column. On another piece of paper, it can be white. I used yellow line because that's what I had. You're going to make a place value chart. Place value chart has a column for the tens and a column for the ones. In the first couple times you play this game, you might want to use some manipulatives. Again, I use Legos, but you can use what's handy to you in your house. So you're going to flip over a card for the tens and one for the ones. 1, 10, 1, 1. I'm going to take a 10 and a 1 and then count 10, 11. You can do it again if you wanted to. Put the cards below and flip it over. Mix them up, whatever you want to do. I'll flip it over one more time. 1, 10, 9 ones. I'm going to take my 1, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. And I can count to see how many I have. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. When you feel you've got a really great hang on doing the place value with manipulatives, you can try quick tens and ones. Now this is something we started in school before we took our break. So I'm going to clear off my manipulatives. I'm going to get my marker. I still need the cards though. I'm going to flip over, so I've got 2 tens and 8 ones. Now with quick tens and ones, I need to remember what I used for a 10. I used a group of 10 lined up like a big stick. So I would need 2 groups of 10, 2 big lines. 10, 2 tens. And then for ones, I'm going to draw dots to kind of represent the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count to make sure I have the right number. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I got that one. Now I'm going to let's try one more just to make sure we get the hang of this. I have another place value chart. If you have a whiteboard at home, that's a great tool. I don't have one at home, so I just made a bunch of tens and ones charts. You can also make your tens and quick ones smaller and put a couple on each page. I'm going to make it big so you can see. So one last one. 4 tens, 7 ones. Again, we're going to use quick tens and ones just to practice. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. Switch to ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's check to see if we have the right number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47, and I showed it with my quick tens and quick ones. So this is just a quick message to parents. If your child is pretty new to the tens and ones, definitely start out with manipulatives and only move to quick tens and ones when they show that they've really got a hang of it with manipulatives. Another great way to kind of ease your child into this, especially since it's been quite a while since we practiced at school, is to only use numbers that have 1 10 or 2 10s first. So numbers like 11, 12, 13, 14 that have 1 10, or 21, 22, 23 that have 2 10s. Once your child is showing that they can master that skill using manipulatives, you can switch to the quick 10s and 1s. Now, if your child is showing you that this is really easy with both manipulatives and quick 10s and 1s, you can give them a challenge by having more than 4 10s. I only went up to 4 10s just for practice, but you can increase the number of 10s they use. So numbers like 50, numbers in the 60s, 70s, even 80s. So that's a way you can kind of adjust the game or this little activity depending on the needs of your child. I hope this activity helps you practice place value. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching.